Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be showing with you how to make neon glow hand-drawn illustration in Canva. So let's start with it. So we will be choosing Instagram post as our blank canvas, and this is the blank canvas, and we need to have a dark color background for this canvas to make the neon glow effective look. So I am choosing black color, but you can use any type of dark color shade or dark color background you want according to your design. I will show you how to do it. So in the elements you need to come and you need to use this illustration which is known as hand drawn ornate vase illustration. You need to use it and make your effect in this way. So as you can see, it is free to use, so we will use it. Its color is black, so we will change the color to golden yellow and we will make it bigger. Okay, and we will just download it. Okay, and now we need to remove the background of this image. So those who have a pro account, they will get background remover as their free option, but those who don't have, you don't need to worry, because I have got a solution for you, which is fococlipping.com, where you can just remove the background as you want. So you need to upload the image, open it. So as you can see, the background is removed. The main thing I like about Foco clipping is that it does not change the resolution of this image, and the another thing is that it quickly identifies an image as an portrait, product or graphic. As you can see, it is identifying this as graphic, which is an illustration. So we will just download it. So main thing you have to keep it in mind that you need to download it as PNG and not as JPG, because if you download it as JPG, you can't make any type of changes, and even if you remove the background, it will have by default a white background. So PNG download is the best option. We'll just download it. Okay, and now we'll come back to the Canva. So we'll backspace this and use this image which we have removed the background, and we'll just upload it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the remove background image, and we'll click it here and bring it here. We'll make it a bit smaller. Okay, now we need to do this effect, so we will go to edit image. As you can see, Canva has made a small change here. Earlier we need to have here effects and here adjust. Here in place of flip we had adjust button, and now Canva has both merged it in edit image section. And another thing I want to show you all, that in adjust section some more effects have joined here. So earlier you used to have till vignette here. Now we have got warmth, clarity, vibrance, highlights, shadows, fade. So 6 other options which we are already getting here. So let's come back. Let's use this shadows. Or if you are not getting it here in recent use section, we will just scroll down and we will get shadows here. Okay, so just click it and change the color of this black to golden yellow. So you need to change it. Okay, so we'll change it as this color. This one looks great to me. So you need to keep it in mind, the color code, because the frame which we will be using, we need to have a similar effect on that. So it is FFB341, and now for the changes we need to increase the blur, we need to increase the size as per our requirement. So 1150/20 looks cool, and now we will click on apply. Okay, is saving, so all changes saved. So now we can go to the next step, which is upload media, and now we will upload this frame here. So the download is complete. Now we'll click and bring it to here and place it according to our size. Okay, so now we'll go to edit image and we'll follow the same process. Click on glow. Okay, now come change the color of the earlier one, which we have already remembered it as FFB341. Okay, this is the same color sheet we have used in this one, so we will change it to same effect and also keep it in 1150-20 as the similar one. So as you can see, the effect is done and it is properly glowing, and this is the effect which we are talking about in the neon glow effect. So you can do it easily and use it for your own requirement. Hope you liked it, and if you have liked, please click the subscribe button and stay tuned with our next tutorials. And please do comment which part you like the most, and if you want to see more tutorials, it's right there on our channel. It's in the playlist section of Canva tutorials name. Thank you. We will be coming with a new video soon.